In this video, I am going to introduce lists. So what is a list? List is a collection of the vectors, or it could be a collection of vectors, or it could be a collection of vector, data frame, matrices, or any form of data types. Lists typically are the final form of output many of the functions that the packages come with. So this is a list that I have just created, list 1. So list 1 has 3 vectors that we had created in the previous video, but it is not continuous. In case of concatenation operators, that is C operator, all these elements would have listed one after another, that is appended one after another, but this is a list. To access the elements of a list, you can just type list 1 1. Likewise, list 1 2 is going to give you the second vector. So that is how you access lists. Say you want to go inside one level within this vector, I have to write 1 within couple of square brackets. So that will give me f and 2 directly. It does not have the extra additional layer just like shown here. Say I want to access the element f directly, I can do this. So only f comes. Similarly, like this, only 2 comes. Got that right? So like vectors, lists also carry this length function. Length of list 1 is going to give me the number of elements within the list. That is vec1, vec2 and vec3. Likewise, it carries names function too. We haven't assigned any name, so it's giving a null. We can assign a name if we want to, but I'm not going to do that now. But what I am going to do is flatten this list using unlist. It's list 1. So all the elements that are within the list are flattened out into a single vector. This one specifically is very useful function because a list could get nested as deep as possible, and in such cases the easiest way to get or access any element is to flatten it using unlist function and accessing the element directly. So to access the last element, 6 in the end, and type to get the answer.